Water jet cutters, great machines, but you have to have a great DXF file. That's when the logic trace system is handy. Just place a part or a pattern on the board, trace it out with the pen stylus, and get a great DXF vector file for loading into your water jet software in just a few minutes. The pen stylus generates a magnetic field that's picked up with the electrical grid in the board. Just trace the points using lines, arcs, curves, and circles, and save a great vector file. Here I have a little bit of a curve. I'm going to do a curve fit through points. Just trace the pattern. The accuracy of the board comes in two different accuracies, 1/100th of an inch and 5/1000th of an inch. Plenty accurate enough for almost all water jet applications. This will save your company so much time. Just trace the pattern and save the file. There it is. Click stop. Let's redraw it. It looks great. Save it and cut it.